Creating automation in HighLevel. Hey, my name is Kerry Knoll. In this particular video, I'm going to explain how to do that task by answering the following three questions. Question number one, how to find automations in HighLevel. Question number two, how to create an automation or workflow in HighLevel. Question number three, how to keep workflows simple in HighLevel. So I'm going to head on over here to my demo account. All right, so inside my demo account, we're going to go down here and we're going to find automation. Click on automation, and then you're going to be under this tab called workflows. So essentially, automation is kind of the generalized topic. Workflows is more specific to the activities that are going to happen inside of an automation. They're interchangeable for the most part. So when it comes to creating an automation, you want to create a workflow. So you'll click this blue button, and you either have the opportunity to create one from a recipe, which means it's pretty much already built out and you just have to change a few things here and there, or build one from scratch. We'll click on build one from scratch. It's going to bring up the workflow editor. It's going to give it a new workflow name like this. You're going to want to instantly rename it to something that makes sense. So in this case, we'll call it workflow demo. And then what you want to do when you create a workflow is, like I said, keep it as simple as possible. So rather than have too many actions inside of a specific workflow where it gets a little bit cumbersome and confusing and hard for someone else to figure out maybe the logic behind it, best practice will be to keep each workflow as simple as possible and link them together. So in this case, let's just say we were to make this workflow trigger on a contact created. So we can action, and then we can click save, and now we have a trigger. You can add additional triggers if you want. You can also have workflows not start with a trigger. But let's say if this was workflow demo number 1, to keep things simple, you might do that. So this one has to have some sort of trigger to get executed. Then what we can do is we can do all kinds of things from here, right? And you have all of these options on the right-hand side that you can work through inside of an automation or workflow. So we can do contact stuff. We can do stuff with communication, sending data, internal tools. We have workflow AI, Aliza, appointments, opportunities, payments, marketing, affiliate stuff, courses, IVR, communities, and certificates. I'm not going to go through any of this here in this particular video, but I think you can kind of see the power of what you can do inside of an automation or workflow. But like I said, you want to keep it simple. So maybe in this one we create the contact and then we just send an email to the contact. All right, initially. So we send this email, and maybe this email is a welcome email. So we'll just call it welcome. And then we'll just have a message that says welcome for now. We won't put anything else in there. And then we'll just put it in the action name here so you know what email this is about. And we'll save it. I said you could do a few steps in here, but don't get too complicated. And then if I wanted to work into another workflow, that's what I would do. So I would save this. I would go back out here to workflows. Then I click on create workflow from scratch again. Then I would rename this right away. Makes sense. So I might call it workflow demo number 2. And then here we might not have any trigger because it's going to get triggered from the previous workflow, right? In this workflow, we might start with a wait action for some reason, and we might do like wait 5 minutes. It might be something else, right? But let's just do this for now. And then we'll just publish this and save it. Again, this workflow could have multiple steps, but again, don't overcomplicate it. Go back to workflows. We'll go back to our workflow demo 1, and out of here, we would, in order to trigger workflow demo number 2, we would click the plus button and we would start typing add. And then under add, we have all these add actions. Well, the one that we want is add to workflow. Then from add to workflow, we would type in maybe demo number 2. And then we might even label this, demo number 2 or workflow demo number 2, right? And then we'd save it, and then we publish this and save it. So now this one workflow just was created when, or was executed when contact was created, sent an email, and then we added them to a second workflow. In that second workflow right now, we just have a wait step, nothing else. But you can see how you can quickly and easily link a bunch of workflows together to keep it really simple. And then if you decide you don't like a specific workflow that it's been linked to, you can kind of bypass that workflow for another workflow. You don't have to really fully edit any specific workflow where you might want to revert changes eventually, right? So this is just a good habit to get into to keep your workflow as simple as possible, to just get one specific task or two specific tasks done per workflow is the best way you can go about this. All right, so again, I appreciate each and every one of you for showing up and watching this video. As always, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask. Just leave me a comment below this video. I'll do my best for you as quickly as possible. Okay, before you go, I want to share with you how you can get access to what I consider the biggest, best, and probably baddest high-level bonus package you'll ever find on the internet, worth darn near, if not over, $14,000. All right, so below this video, you can click on a link that will take you to this page you see in front of you. Once you see this page, you click this black button. This pop-up will pop up. You will enter your name, email address, and phone number. Click this black button, and once you submit your information, you'll be taken over to the high-level bonuses page that explains everything you're going to be receiving. So there's another talking head video of me explaining the benefits to my high-level bonus package. And if you scroll on down, you can see everything that's included, including my high-level insiders flagship mastermind membership program that's absolutely 100% free just by signing up for either Marketing Engines A.I, my SaaS, or through one of my affiliate links for HighLevel itself. So you can get all the information you need about that on this particular page. This program includes high-level masterclass for beginners. So this gives you a series of videos that will teach you everything you need to know about high-level. You will also receive a high-level agency masterclass for beginners. So if you are on the $297 agency plan or better, the Pro or SaaS white label plan, you will also have everything you need to know about configuring the agency and or white label Pro SaaS plan. From there, you're also going to get access to my Marketing Engines AI, various proprietary engines that I am building out in my Marketing Engines AI SaaS. You can get beta access to these. So the only ones that are going to be getting access to these before Marketing Engines AI actually officially launches on 5/25/25 are those who sign up through my affiliate link or Marketing Engines AI at this point as beta access users. So you're going to get access to the AI appointment booking engine, the AI birthday celebration engine, the AI sales funnel website engine, the AI lead alert engine, the AI reputation review engine, the AI customer referral engine, plus there's going to be several more of these engines added to Marketing Engines AI platform in the coming weeks and months ahead. On top of that, you're also going to get access to the foundation workshops. Now, the foundation workshops are built out to help you grasp the order of operations that are necessary in order to be proficient and be able to build things out in a timely manner for yourself and or your clients. So week number 1, we start with custom fields and custom values. Week number 2, we talk about forms and surveys. Week number 3, we talk about calendars. Week number 4, we talk about pipelines and opportunities. Week number 5, we talk about email services. Week number 6, we talk about phone numbers with the A2P10 DLC compliance and application process. Week 7, we talk about payments and invoices. Week number 8, workflows and automations. Week number 9, funnels and websites. Week number 10, trigger links and URL redirects. Week number 11, contacts, lists, and tags. Week number 12, conversations and conversation AI. Week 13, Google reviews and reviews AI. And week 14, communities and memberships, with more to come after that. You'll also be receiving marketing engine workshops specifically geared towards helping you fully understand each one of those aforementioned Marketing Engines AI engines that you're going to get beta access to. So reputation management service workshop, the customer referral service workshop, the birthday marketing service workshop, etc. You'll also get access to weekly live Q&A calls, so you get a chance to get all of your questions answered, and we'll keep you up to date with the latest tools, resources, strategies, tactics, and processes that you need in order to be successful with HighLevel. There's also a private community where you can mastermind with and get the support of a select group of like-minded individuals that are as committed to building their business as much as you are. And if you keep on going, you can read some testimonials, and I'll even tell you exactly how to cancel. You can cancel at any time, 24/7, 365, 366 if it's a leap year, and you can even cancel while you're on the pot. So I show you step by step on how to cancel your account if HighLevel is not right for you, or Marketing Engines AI. So again, this total bonus value is $14,099 and counting. I'm sure it'll be increasing as I develop and launch additional engines. And if you have any questions regarding what's all included in the bonus package or HighLevel Insiders, I have a frequently asked questions area that you can pretty much get all the answers to your questions there. However, if you have additional questions, feel free to reach out and I'll do my best to answer them for you. All right, once you've decided to sign up through my HighLevel link or through Marketing Engines AI, either one on this particular page, you will click one of these black buttons. Once you do that, it'll say try HighLevel now for free, and you will get a chance to either sign up for Marketing Engines AI, which I will give you a 30-day trial of it. So I give you a little better option than just signing up for HighLevel, where you can only get a 14-day trial. However, if you're not interested in signing up for Marketing Engines AI for whatever reason, and yet you want to get started with HighLevel, try it out, you can start your 14-day free trial of HighLevel on the starter agency plan by clicking this link. If you have already started a trial through another affiliate, but you have not yet paid, so you're still in the trial period, you can extend your free trial of HighLevel starter agency plan by clicking on this link. If you want, you can start your 30-day, I'm sorry, this is actually a typo. You can start your 14-day trial of HighLevel Pro SaaS plan by clicking this link. And the best news is, even if you already have HighLevel through someone else and you're paying month to month or what have you, you can upgrade to the HighLevel agency plan from the starter plan. Let's say you're on the starter plan and you want to move up to the agency plan, you can upgrade here and still get access to all my bonuses, including HighLevel Insiders. You can also upgrade to the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, which is the white label plan, by clicking on this link. Or you can purchase or upgrade to the HighLevel annual plan by using this last link. If you choose to upgrade to the white label Pro SaaS plan, then you will click on this link and it will take you over to this page here where it says upgrade to HighLevel Pro today. You will have to input the agency relationship number, which you can find right here, agency code. So you just copy and paste this in. And then of course you can use my code ZZYYZZX as well. And then if you are interested in only starting your 14-day free trial of the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, and you click that link, it'll take you over here where you can see everything you're getting and click on start a free trial of the Pro SaaS plan today. All right, so that's everything that's included inside of my HighLevel bonus package. So just pick the option that works best for you, depending on your situation. If you have any questions about this, please let me know. You can either leave me a comment below the video, or if you know how to get in touch with me otherwise, you can send me a message via one of those other options. I'll do my best to get back to you in a timely manner. Thank you so much, and I look forward to helping you learn and advance your skill set with HighLevel inside of HighLevel Insiders. I can't wait for you to join us. Hope you have a good one. We'll speak with you real soon.